Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add reviews on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the Shopify dashboard. So right now, the first thing that you need to do guys is go here to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find all of the sections. So here you're going to find the home section, orders, product, customers, content analytics. Here you're going to find marketing and discount, online store and point of sale. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find apps. So go ahead and click on add apps. And then once you're here, go to the bottom. Right here, you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Give it a click. And then you're going to be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Once you're here, just go to the search bar in the top and then search for reviews. After that, go ahead and click on enter. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find a lot of applications that will help you to add reviews on Shopify. So for example, I'm going to add this application, give it a click, and then click on install. And then just wait for this page to load. Once you're here, go ahead and click on install. Again, you can choose any application that you think it's good here from the App Store. There is a lot of reviews applications. So once you add the application, it will be right here. I'm going to click on skip for now. And then as you can see, guys, you're going to be able to access the application from here. As you can see, guys, this application has a lot of features, apps, widgets, integrations, and so on. So applications like this will make it a lot easier to add reviews to your Shopify store. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.